CapIntel app pricing explained what you get for your money. CapIntel is an investment proposal platform designed for financial advisors, asset managers, and investors seeking streamlined workflows. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just a document tool, but it includes portfolio analytics, reporting, and collaboration features. Pricing starts at a monthly subscription, typically ranging from to depending on account size and feature access. The base plan covers proposal creation, client management, and standard analytics. For example, an advisor can generate an investment proposal in minutes and track client responses seamlessly. Premium plans unlock advanced analytics, integrations with other financial software, and team collaboration tools. This is ideal for professionals managing multiple clients or large portfolios who need efficiency and in-depth data. In conclusion, CapIntel pricing scales with your professional needs. Base plans are affordable for small operations, while premium options provide full-featured tools to save time and enhance client engagement. Understanding your plan ensures you pay only for the features you actually use.